Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So if you all want to see how I achieve this super bomb and voluminous braid out on stretched hair using Groveda Hair Solutions, then just keep watching my video. I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve it and how I get it nice and fluffy. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I am starting off with my hair in these two little plaits or whatever. My hair is still stretched from my last video. I'm actually starting off with the flexi rod set from the old video. I just brushed it out and detangled it so I can do this style. So after taking down those two braids, I just go in with my comb and part off the front section from the back section. Once it's separated, I go in with my little paddle brush and start brushing my hair upward on top of my head while detangling, obviously. And then I take my spray bottle full of water and spritz the section that would be sleeked down. And I go in with my gel, which you see here. I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I just apply, a nice generous amount to my hair. And once I get that smooth, I'm going to take my hard bristle brush, which you see now, and just brush it on up. And then I'm gonna put my ponytail holder on nice and tight. So once that's done, I go back in with my little paddle brush and just comb out that ponytail once more because I'm going to be doing a braid out and I want my hair to be as detangled as possible, obviously. So yeah, I'm just brushing that through, and then I'm going to go in with some water on my hands and just apply the water to my hair that way instead of directly spraying my hair with water, because like I said in my last video, I do not want my hair to revert back. But now I'm going to go in with this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day leave-in conditioner and apply a nice, generous amount to my hair, starting from my ends, working up to my roots. And then once I'm done with that and I brush that through, I'm going to go in with the Aloe Rose Curl Elastic Brulee by Groveda Hair Solutions, and I'm going to apply a nice little amount of that. This product is kind of a gel, so it's going to help add the hold I need to have a defined braid out. So yeah, you're just going to see me brush this through, and then I'm going to go in and braid my hair, and I'm going to make sure I braid nice and tight and just smooth it along as I go so it can be a nice braid out. As you can see, I'm braiding nice and tightly, and like I just mentioned, I will go back in with my paddle brush and kind of smooth the hair out if I feel it getting tangled. But yes, I am braiding tightly because I do again want a nice defined braid out. And you just seen me spritz a little bit of water on my ends, and I'm actually going to apply some more of that Curl Elastic Brulee just for definition and moisture. And then once I get down to the ends of my braids, I'm going to go in with these small perm rods and just roll my hair up, literally just roll it up from the ends. And yeah. and I'm just gonna do the same thing for the rest of my hair. I actually ran out of like storage on my phone as I was doing this braid, so this gonna be the last one y'all see me do. But as y'all see, I'm doing the same process. I just sprayed some water on my hands and massage that into my hair. Now I'm going in with the Day Hair Milk by Groveda, and just working that in. And then once I brush that in, you're gonna see me go in with the Curlastic Brulee gel and just apply that. And then I'm going to braid my hair nice and tightly, just like I did with the braid in the front. So like I mentioned earlier, I ran out of storage while filming this, so this is it right here. This is the final results after braiding. I have a total of 5 braids, 4 in the back and the one on top. They look nice and shiny. They really look like they're going to come out good. I did my edges off camera, and now this is the next morning. As you see, I got a beat face or whatever. My hair dried pretty quickly because I was working on stretched hair with not a lot of water in it at all. But I just showed you, I put some oil on my hands so I can take down the sperm rods, and then I'm going to proceed to take down the braids. But you can see right now that even my ends are super defined, so I'm very hopeful on how my hair will turn out. To take these down, I kind of just smoothed out the curl at the bottom and just found where the braid ended, and I took my time and kind of unbraided it. But once I got to a certain point, I was a little tired of doing it like this, like slowly, I guess. So I just kind of pulled at it and yanked the last little section up. That's okay, like it didn't disturb my definition or anything. As you can see, it's pretty defined, and I'm going to take down this one. I'm only showing you me taking down these 2 braids, and when I come back, all of my braids are actually going to be separated, and I'm going to show y'all how I fluff. So just stay tuned. I didn't show you my other 2 braids taking them down. This is the definition from the top one. Once I took that one down, and here I am now. I just separated my hair off camera, but now you just see me fluffing and doing the last minute touches. And as y'all can see, this is what I'm looking like. Just showing you how it looks. Showing y'all my makeup. Your girl looks freaking good. My hair looks good and healthy. And my makeup was bomb. But what you will see in just a second, this is my final results. And I literally love my hair. It had so much volume. It was just so beautiful. It had a good amount of definition for it to be done on stretched hair. I just loved it. I loved it. Okay, so this is the final result, as y'all saw. This is my final braid out on stretched hair, and I love it. Talk about volume, why don't you? It looks good.
And then y'all like how I match my makeup with my little shirt. Yeah. But as y'all see, this looks from bomb.com. I love it. And yeah, I just really like this look. Hopefully it lasts a few days. But either way, I love it and my hair looks freaking amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I want to see you all in my next one.